In this segment, providers will learn how to clock in and out for a shift in real time. First, you must be on the hours screen to add time. Any shifts you've already worked display on the calendar. If this is your first shift of the day, no entries will be seen. To get started, tap Add Time. Select the member you're providing services for during your shift, and select the service you will be providing. You'll see a clock on the screen. Your current location is visible on the screen. If you're not at your expected location, the difference will be displayed. If you don't see your location, be sure you've enabled location services on your device and for Time4Care in your device settings. Your program may require that you turn on location services to be able to start your clock. To start your shift, tap on the orange Start Time button. Your shift will be added to the calendar, showing the member you're working for and your running clock. During your shift, you can tap on your in-process entry at any time to view the details and your running clock. If your program needs you to enter activities or tasks for the services you're providing, you can do that during your shift. On the Details page, tap on Activities Tasks. Select the activities you've performed during the shift. If you performed more than one, select each one. Once completed, tap on the back arrow in the upper left to return to your running clock. The tasks you selected are viewable. You can continue to add tasks during your shift as needed. Now you can tap on Notes. Type any notes you want to record for this shift and select Done. Once completed, tap on the back arrow in the upper left to return to your running clock. You can continue to add notes during your shift as needed. When you're ready to end your shift, go to your running clock and tap on the orange End Time button. Tapping the End Time button will stop your clock. You'll see a summary of your shift, including the time you started, the time you ended, total time worked, and any activities, tasks, and notes entered. If required in your program, you'll need to check an attestation box before submitting your entry. Once everything is complete, you can submit your entry by tapping the Submit button. Tapping the Submit button will send a notification to your member to review and approve your entry. Or if your member is available, you can tap Get Approval Now. If Get Approval Now is not available in your program, you will not see this button. You'll need to hand your device to your member so he or she can review your entry, enter identifying information, sign, and approve. Your entry is approved on the spot, and your member will not need to review later.